If you find it difficult to sit comfortably for a long time, it could be that you suffer from ischial tuberosity pain, sit bone pain. Your ischial tuberosity is located at the bottom of your pelvis and is the bone that you sit on. Therefore, the ischial tuberosity carries most of your weight when you sit. Sit bone pain can result from dysfunction of joints in your pelvic area caused by wear and tear or trauma. Because many muscles and ligaments are connected to the ischial tuberosity, sit bone pain can be caused by hamstring or sciatica problems. One of the most common symptoms in your sit bone is pain when sitting for a long time. However, you may also have cramping in one or both of your legs, pain running down your leg, or weakness in your feet. This can also cause hamstring pain when sitting. Knowing how to treat ischial tuberosity pain can be a challenge because the pain in your buttocks can become chronic. It can also be difficult to know if the pain is from your ischium or other pelvic bones. Very often, using ice or heat can help to relieve the pain when sitting. Exercising to strengthen your butt muscles and your core can also help to relieve ischial tuberosity pain syndrome. In this article, I am going to look at the various reasons why your butt hurts so much when you sit for a long time. You will also find out ways to relieve buttock pain naturally and how to prevent the symptoms of sit bone pain. What is a sit bone? The sit bone, ischial tuberosity, is sometimes referred to as the sitz bone, or sitting bone. The sit bone is a bony protrusion at the base of your pelvic bones. According to the University of the West of England, the ischium is divided into an upper part and lower part. The thick lower part of the bone is called the ischial tuberosity, and you have one on either side of your buttocks. Both have a slightly triangular shape, and these are the bones that you sit on. The University of Michigan Medical School reports on various ligaments and muscles attached to your ischium bones. For example, ligaments attached to your gluteus maximus which are necessary to keep your upper body stable. Also, your hamstring is connected to your sit bone as well as your sciatic nerve too. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, the main function of your sit bone is to bear your body weight when sitting. Symptoms of sit bone pain. Pain when sitting down is one of the main symptoms of sit bone pain. However, depending on the extent of damage to your ischial tuberosity and other ligaments, muscles, or nerves involved, you will have associated symptoms. The Journal of Korean Neurosurgical Society reports that prolonged sitting on hard surfaces will result in pain and numbness in your buttocks. This can also affect muscles and ligaments in your lower legs. Causes of pain around the sit bone. Let's look at some of the most common causes of butt bone pain when sitting that comes from your ischial tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity stress fracture from exercising. A stress fracture in your ischial tuberosity from exercising or from wear and tear is a common reason for buttock pain when sitting. According to the journal Hip and Pelvis, pain in the pelvic area can occur due to small stress fractures in the pelvic bones. Researchers found that ischial tuberosity injuries have similar symptoms to hamstring injuries. Damage to the sit bone can occur when the hip is suddenly flexed. Other reasons for stress fractures on the ischial tuberosity are overuse injuries and too much pressure on the pelvic bone. Sitting on hard surfaces causes sit bone pain. Sit bone pain can be caused if you have to sit for a long time on hard surfaces. This can cause pain in just your right buttock or be a reason for soreness in your left buttock. Sitting on hard surfaces for a long period of time can cause a condition called Ischial Bursitis. According to researchers from Harvard Medical School, one-sided buttock pain could be caused by inflammation in your lower pelvis. Sitting or standing for long periods on a hard surface can be a reason why the bones in your buttocks hurt and are sore. Hamstring injury causing sit bone pain. A hamstring injury can cause severe pain in your lower buttock that is worse when you bend over or straighten your leg. Your hamstring is directly connected to your ischium bones, and any tear or damage to your hamstring can result in sit bone pain. The Journal of Manual and Manipulative Therapy reports that hamstring injuries can cause buttock pain on the side where the injury occurred. This can cause tenderness in the right or left buttock and severe pain down the leg. Sciatic nerve damage and ischial tuberosity pain. Severe pain in your buttocks when you sit down could be caused by damage to your sciatic nerve. Your sciatic nerve runs from the base of your spine, through your buttocks to your lower leg. Dr. William Shiel on Medicinenet says that a trapped sciatic nerve can cause lumbar pain and pain behind the knee. However, sciatica can also be a reason for ischial tuberosity pain. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe.